end.
Hi guys, welcome back to second part of my budget PC build series. In my previous part 1 video, I have shown the table I have selected for my PC setup. If you have not watched that video, I leave the link in the description box. So in this video, I'll be showing you the PC cabinet which I have chosen. I don't wanted to spend more on the cabinet from my total budget, so I had kept around 3.5k for the case. After going through a lot of options, finally I decided to go with this ESports 220 Air. So this is how the box looks, and they have mentioned some features. Most of the cabinets in this price range usually come with 4 auto RGB fans and a front mesh design. But this 220 Air model comes with 4 auto RGB fans and specifically front transparent panel. This transparent panel gives it more premium look compared to other cabinets of the same price range. This is a black color variant. You also have white color option. On this right side, we get a complete glass panel. We get 4 auto RGB fans pre-installed. These are not addressable ones, so we can't change the color or the pattern. As I told before, it gets a front transparent panel, but this is not a glass, it's a kind of fiber material. For the air intake, they have given 4 vents at the corners. At the top, there is a space for air intake. You get 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 audio jack, reset button, HDD and power LEDs, and a power button. This cabinet can be used for ATX and micro ATX motherboards. This is how you get a proper space for cable management. Also, it has a dedicated space for SSD, hard drives, and a power supply unit. That's all about its features and the looks. Now let's also see how the case looks with all the 4 fans powered on. This is all about our PC cabinet. Let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Finally, coming to the price, I bought this case online from Vedant Computers for 3,360 rupees, which I feel is a very good deal. This is how I got the package. It was safely packed and delivered. This product is also available on Amazon. If you guys are interested, you can check out the product links from the description box. Thank you for watching this video. So in my next part 3 video, we'll be sharing the information about all the PC components we'll be using. For more updates, subscribe and also follow us on Instagram. I'll see you in the next video.